Boiling an egg is a quick and easy way to prepare a healthy and delicious snack. In this video, we will show you how to perfectly boil an egg every time. Step 1. Gather your materials. You will need 1. Eggs. 2. A pot. 3. Water. Step 2. Place the eggs in a pot and add enough cold water to cover the eggs by about an inch. Make sure to use cold water and not warm or hot water, as this will prevent the eggs from cracking during the boiling process. Step 3. Place the pot on the stove and turn the heat to high. As the water heats up, the eggs will start to cook. Step 4. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, set a timer for the desired level of doneness. 1. 3 minutes for a soft boiled egg. 2. 4 minutes for a medium boiled egg. 3. 8 to 10 minutes for a hard boiled egg. A soft boiled egg will have a runny yolk and a semi-solid white. A medium boiled egg will have a semi-solid yolk and a semi-solid white. A hard boiled egg will have a fully solid yolk and a fully solid white. Step 5. Once the timer goes off, use a slotted spoon to remove the eggs from the pot and place them in a bowl of ice water. This will stop the cooking process and make the eggs easier to peel. Step 6. Let the eggs sit in the ice water for a few minutes before peeling and enjoying. And that's it, perfectly boiled eggs every time. You can also add some seasoning or serve it with toast or salad.